Alright, looks like we're live. What's going on, everybody? Fucking shit, that hurts. Okay, fuck. So, I was doing a full body workout today, and I ended up doing squats. My working weight was with 225, so it wasn't that heavy. Didn't feel that heavy, wasn't particularly challenging, and then as I went down for, I think, the fourth rep.
Happy birthday, Richard. 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 Happy birthday, Richard.
Well, thank you for the donation, Onion Spam. Don't know why you had to say that several times in a row, but appreciate it anyway. Yeah, so I was only squatting with 225 on the fourth rep of the first set. When I went to the bottom, I felt an unusual tightness in between my legs, and then when I went up, that's when I felt something just rip. Felt like a muscle like ripped and curled up, and then right when I felt that, I just dumped the weight onto the safeties, and then I fell over, and Jasmine came over and helped me. I couldn't get up at all, so I just called an ambulance, and then I was sent over to the hospital. I think the doctors there were kind of idiots. So they checked to see if there was a hernia. There was no hernia. That was what I was thinking it was at first, but they didn't feel anything bulging. So they ruled out a hernia. Then they got me to do an x-ray. They didn't find anything on the x-ray, and then the doctor just said, oh, you probably just pulled something, which doesn't sound quite right, just because of the insane amount of pain I'm in and the way it felt. Like, I literally felt something rip open. And I asked him, like, can I not get any other kind of imaging done? And he said no. So I think usually what they do is they make you do an ultrasound, at least, if you have something happen like that, but they didn't do it. So might have to go again to get everything checked out. But thanks for the birthday wishes, everybody. I'm now 30 years old.